Hey, kind of started filming this vlog adventure a little bit late. I'm already in Denver, so that's that. But I'm pumped. I'm at the Le Méridien in downtown Denver right now, and they hooked it up. I am starving. I already jumped in on this, but I got some beers there, some food. Started devouring it, but check it out. The room, European style, bathroom, shower. Feels like I'm back in Europe, honestly. Badass. I'm pumped for this next 2 weeks ahead of me. Lots of content, lots of travel shit, lots of adventure. Let's get it. Celebratory brew. Thank you for the beers, baby. Here we go. Graham cracker porter. Woo. Morning. We made it. Ross Munster. We just dropped off our stuff. Josh flew in last night.
About it.
Woo!
Just broke into this office space.
Yeah, broke it. Picking up the van, 11:45. Stoked. Woo! Gonna walk to a coffee shop now. Get some coffee, kill some time. It's like 9 a.m. here. And it's not that cold.
Beautiful.
Thoughts?
Perfect. Stoked to be here. Excited to hit the road.
Hell yeah, we slept like little baby angels last night. Got a good 8 hours in.
Just
good to go.
Like royalty, we each had our own room at the Le Méridien.
Yeah, shout out Le Méridien. We'll be there the 25th and staying at the AC side, so hell yeah. Look forward to it. Bluebird Day, baby. Woo! We got the van, let's go. Check this thing out. Oh man, we got swivel seats, hooked up, sink, refrigerator. Oh my gosh, stoked. Woo! Oh yeah, baby!
This is it.
Woo! Freaking pumped! Let's go!
Hitting the road.
Shout out Ross Munster.
Yeah.
This is sick.
Doing a little filming for Ross Munster.
We're gonna be snuggling up real nice.
Yeah. Be nice and cozy. The weather's perfect. Standing up while Austy's driving.
Woo!
Our first stop's Garden of the Gods.
Garden of the Gods, baby.
And then we're gonna go to a couple other places after that.
Mountains in the background.
Just find some cool places to pull up to the side of the road and camp. It's kind of our plan. Not really much of a plan.
Not much of a plan.
That's the best plan.
It's gonna be the best plan.
Yeah.
Made it to the Garden of the Gods. Oh my gosh, what a drive. It's like 2 hours or so. Saw some rams coming through here right when we pulled up. So sick. Look at this, man. Oh my gosh. Phew. We're not even in it yet. Yeah. More to come when we go inside. Let's go. Rollins! You big good boy.
He's like, what is that?
Oh.
Go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. I OD. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees. Go dummy, go beast on them. I go beast. Go deep, I OD on them. I OD. Apply pressure, put heat on them. Put that 500 degrees on them. 500 degrees.
First spot, Red Canyon Park. We showed up at night and we are prepping some dinner right now. We are starving. Josh just cut up some potatoes. We're doing some chicken, potatoes. What is this called again, dude?
Hobo dinner.
A hobo dinner. So we're gonna slap it on the fire and cook it up in the tinfoil and then just eat it straight from the tinfoil. I'm pumped, never done that before.
Got Chef Austin.
You're cooking up some kitchen, or
Cooking up some kitchen.
yeah, cooking up some chicken.
We're gonna cut up some chicken, some potatoes, some onions, and throw it all in tinfoil and throw it in our fire.
Slapping on that beat.
But this is the setup. There she is in all her glory. Looking good.
Gonna wake up to, I don't even know what we're gonna wake up to tomorrow. So, hell yeah! Woo!
Good morning. We
Oh, good morning.
made it through the night. It's very comfy. Pretty cold and then got really hot because we had the heater on. And then got really cold again.
Yeah, now we're freezing.
Looks like the sun is just trying to come up.
We're live though. We made it. Gonna go climb this big ass rock here right now that we've been looking at since last night. Ready? What's a movie, like a Disney movie, where they yell? No, it's Jim
Goonies.
Carrey. You're an idiot!
Yeah. No, you're an idiot.
No, you're an idiot!
I'm an idiot.
You're an idiot!
You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man.
Wow. That was sick.
Lately I've been living like I can't take a loss. They ain't wanna help me, that's what made me a boss. You can't kill my confidence, I think I'm the man. We don't give a fuck, that's what they don't understand.
We made a stop. We're on our way to our next campsite. It's what is it? Blue Creek, or what? Which one was it? Brown Creek? Our campsite. What was it? Stopped at this hike, Hoosier Mountain, and it is freaking unreal. I brought my snowboard because we saw some snowboarders leaving, and we asked them. There's a little spot up there that we're gonna hike to, and I'm gonna ride down, so it'll be sick. Check this out. You got it. The struggle is real, baby. You won't? Yeah. Dude, I'm coming down.
Couple of Florida boys stuck knee deep in snow.
Oh, you can't beat it, honestly.
What a view, huh?
Rise and shine, everyone. Look at this view. Woke up to Breckenridge Mountain Ski Resort. We're taking a time lapse over there on the slant. Our furnace doesn't work, and so we had to sleep with the fan on at the whole night pretty much to heat us up, and use the front heaters where the engine is, and that helped so much. But we didn't sleep for jack shit because there was like a ski patrol or road patrol thing pulling out a car from the ditch, and the lights were just flashing all night. We thought they were police because we literally slept on this like road right here. This is the pull off. So but it was worth it. We didn't get stopped or woken up by a flashlight, so hell yeah. We met up with Danny and Nicole in Breckenridge, and we took a little hike to this troll.
Look at that
about
guy.
3 hours to hike up here.
So I come.
Yeah, this is like the easiest hike possible.
Come.
Doug!
Anyways, Danny and Nicole ate grapes. We're starving. They did it right in front of us.
There he is.
I don't need this camera right now.
Going into it now.
We're in it, baby. We wanted snow. We got it.
A cold night tonight. Our heater just broke. Or broke last night. We were freezing too.
Yeah, we're snuggling. Getting real close and personal. Without a paddle style.
Yep.
Oh, what a day it's been. We got to see Danny and Nicole earlier in Breckenridge, and Josh and I drove to find our sleep spot for tonight with the van. And well, we drove into a snowstorm and we are posted up
Here. It is snowing buckets right now. It's kind of off the side of the road, but we're gonna make a fire real quick.
shooting some content for another brand, and need a fire. It's gonna be sick, you know, but we're gonna be cold. Our furnace stopped working and we're gonna freeze our asses off. So we're gonna bundle up, checking back in the morning. Wish us luck.
In the meantime, enjoy the snowfall.
All right, checking back in the morning. It's a cold one, 10 degrees.
Oh man, we slept
Well,
by the interstate here last night. That's where we had our fire.
A funny story, the police ended up showing up because someone called on the fire, and it was the coolest experience ever. Josh and I are drinking bourbon and next to the fire in our van, and these police were just like, you guys aren't in trouble, just want to make sure that you're safe. It was the coolest shit ever, honestly. Such nice guys. And one of the guys said he partied in Sarasota, which was sweet. It's come to an end. Jackson Hole. It's been a trusty van the whole time. Will be missed.
Oh my gosh. Shout out Ross Munster Vans for such an awesome hookup and such an awesome week living the van life in this van. We're going from van life to van life. We got the cargo van. Josh has picked this bad boy up. Oh, can't get away from the van life, but Jackson Hole will be missed. Until next time, yeah. Right in the dirt. Just the old boy.